While keyboards have surged in popularity for their satisfying tactile response and durability, another area of technology demands careful consideration. Manual wheelchairs for quadriplegics. These users require models with ergonomic support, arm, foot accessibility. List 1. Drive Medical SSP118FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair with full arms and removable footrests. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 is a robust choice for quadriplegic users needing caregiver-assisted mobility. Its full-length arms provide excellent lateral support, while the removable swing-away footrests make transfers and leg adjustments easier. With smooth-rolling urethane tires on composite wheels and a durable steel frame, this chair is built to last, despite its strength. List 2. Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair with swing-back desk-length arms and swing-away footrests. This Medline folding wheelchair is designed with both comfort and accessibility in mind. The swing-back desk-length arms allow users to get closer to desks and tables, aiding in daily tasks like eating or writing. For quadriplegic users who are transferred frequently, the swing-away footrests and foldable frame make this chair highly compatible with hoists or slide boards. List 3. Drive Medical Cruiser 3 Lightweight Wheelchair with various flip-back arm styles and front rigging options. The Drive Medical Cruiser 3 offers one of the most customizable manual wheelchair experiences. With multiple flip-back armrest styles and adjustable footplate rigging, it adapts to a wide range of user and caregiver needs. For quadriplegics, this flexibility means easier transfers, better positioning, and more tailored support. The chair's lightweight carbon steel frame has an attractive silver vein finish and features composite mag-style wheels that glide smoothly across surfaces. The seat height is adjustable. List 4. Drive Medical BLS 18 FBD ELR Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair with swing-away footrests. A favorite among hospitals and caregivers, the Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair by Drive Medical combines affordability with excellent build quality. Its elevating leg rests and swing-away footrests are crucial for quadriplegic users who require leg support and assisted transfers. List 5. Medline Lightweight Wheelchair for adults with swing-back arms and elevating leg rests. This Medline lightweight wheelchair delivers ergonomic design and comfort in a caregiver-friendly package. The swing-back arms facilitate side transfers, while the elevating leg rests help with proper lower limb positioning, important for pressure relief and circulation. Its nylon upholstery is breathable and easy to clean, and the chair folds easily for storage or transport.